Hi guys, thank you so much for returning for another video, and if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I am so grateful to have you. My name is Crystal and I love to post cleaning, organization, and lifestyle videos. If that's something you're interested in, then please go ahead and click the red subscribe button below. That way you can join the family. Also click the bell next to the red subscribe button so you'll get notified every single time I upload. Today we're starting outside because I really wanted to clean my patio doors and I kept missing the opportunity because it would rain. This day was gorgeous, so I wanted to take advantage of it. I also have some rust inhibitor that I like to put on my patio set, and it was due for that, so I wanted to give it a wipe down before I take care of that as well.
Gotta find another cure, but then you show up at my door. Baby, I feel like maybe you have attachment or wings on my back. Deep inside my mind, you glow like a nova and would never screw me over. Suddenly, your breath is all I want to breathe. My lungs explode when you have to leave. My body can't survive.
We used to have a patio cover over our furniture, but no matter what we did, if it was very windy, it would blow away. So I try to make sure I put this rust inhibitor on. It's supposed to be, I think, twice a year, but I just kind of do it whenever I remember it, so that hopefully when we're able to entertain again, our furniture will be in great shape.
For hours, but it's never enough. I wanna be held forever till we both fall asleep. I feel your breeze in mine. Breath is all I want to breathe. My lungs explode when you have to leave. My body can't survive for real. I'm left alone with my sanity. So take me for a trip.
The last thing before we move inside is to take care of the side lights, and that is at the front of my house. So I wanted to get those wiped down. I had cleaned them on the inside pretty recently, but again, the rain kept stopping me from doing any outdoor activities, so I'm taking care of that.
It feels like I'm being attacked. I don't know what I'm gonna do. You're trying to improve me. Why you do that to me? I don't wanna be with you. Don't tell me that you're sorry. All you do is bother me. Don't know what I'm gonna do. I wanna run away every time when you're with me. You want me to stay just because you need me. I wanna run away every time when you're with me. You want me to stay just because you need me. I just wanna run. I just wanna run. I just wanna be on.
Now that we're back inside, I needed to break down some boxes. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that we had two of our TVs mounted. I had gotten rid of some of the boxes after the installer left, but these were things that were left over that needed to be taken care of. And then I also have a box that's from Grove Collaborative, and in just a minute I will do a quick mini haul before we get right back into it.
It feels like I'm being attacked. Trying to improve me. Why you do that to me? I don't wanna be with you. Don't tell me that you're sorry.
Okay, y'all, so we are in a judgment-free zone here, but when I went in the office to get the rest of the boxes from when we had our TVs mounted and all that fun stuff, I forgot that my Grove Collaborative order was here. Oops. So I thought, since I was breaking down boxes and I just found this, I would do a quick unboxing. So I don't know if you guys use Grove Collaborative, but I love them, and I have a link in my description box if you're interested. You don't have to do the VIP and have stuff come every month. I honestly just order every now and then when I run out of things or when I think of something I want from there, and it's just so convenient, and I usually order enough to get free shipping anyway. So let's see what I got because I don't remember. Okay, so this is the Caldrea, and it's the Tangelo Palm Frond, and this is the linen and room spray. I have this in the sea salt neroli, and I've never tried the Tangelo Palm Frond in anything, and I heard it smells really good, so I'm getting ready to find out. This is my new favorite. Oh my gosh, this smells so good, and thankfully, as I'm looking in here, I got the countertop spray as well. Yes, I'm so happy. Actually, no. So the sea salt neroli is what I had in the countertop spray, and I just ran out. So I've got the Tangelo Palm Frond in that, and the linen and room spray. And then the other linen and room spray I had was the pear agave. So all of them smell really good, and I know this is gonna smell the same, but I just wanna make sure. Oh, yes. I'm so glad I tried this. So if you order Caldrea, all of them that I've tried smell good, but this Tangelo Palm Frond is a winner. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay, what else did I get? Oh, I got some more honeysuckle dish soap in the Mrs. Meyer's. I would say between, I don't know. I think honeysuckle is my current favorite. But I love Mrs. Meyer, so it's hard to say. And then I got another room freshener in the honeysuckle as well, just because I want this smell everywhere. And, oh yeah, I was out of my honeysuckle multi-surface, so I got another one of those. And then, oh, I got a multi-surface concentrate. So I have to buy these all the time. So I just got a multi-surface concentrate in the honeysuckle as well, so when I run out I can just use that. And what else is in here? Oh, last thing, I got another one of my brushes. So what I do is I put a new one out on the sink, and then the one that I take off the sink, I use it to scrub out my sink because I don't like using them for both. So then once that one gets ratty, I take the one off the sink and use that one. So basically I keep these in rotation, so I needed another one. I think I have a couple under there, but I don't ever want to run out. So that was it. That was really fast, but I thought, like I said, since I found this, I would share it with you guys. If you haven't tried Grove, head over there. If you don't want to, the Mrs. Meyer's, I know they sell these in Target because sometimes I get it from there. I don't know if you can get the Caldrea anywhere else because I've only ordered it from Grove, but I personally think this Tangelo Palm Frond is hands down the best. So let me know if you try it. Guys, if you're not already, please follow me over on Instagram at crystal_renee_lifestyle.
Don't you tell me that I didn't try. Tell me that I didn't try. Tell me that I didn't try. Don't you say that. Don't you say you don't know why. Don't you say you don't know why. Don't you say it. I'm saying goodbye.
Now that I've gotten everything put away from Grove Collaborative, I am just folding some microfiber towels that I washed. Some of them can be dried in the dryer, but my husband had done the laundry, and I just told him to hang them all so he didn't have to try to figure out which one was which.
Do you get it now? I'm saying goodbye.
Up next was cleaning the TV. It had a lot of smudges on it from being mounted. I'm using my electronic cleaner, which usually works in just seconds, but this time I had to use a lot of elbow grease.
I know what goes around comes around, so now I'm gonna tear you down, down, down. With you, my love was a loaded gun, so now
Guys, leave me a comment below and let me know what you're up to while you're watching this video. I love talking to you in the comments and hearing anything that you like to say, but I also love knowing what you're up to. Are you cleaning with me? Are you relaxing? Are you taking care of some other things? Just let me know. I noticed a spot on our master bedroom carpet right in front of our dresser from when that TV was mounted. I'm not sure where it came from, but I'm just using Resolve, which works amazing. It does take quite a few times though, because I like to use a lot of it to make sure it comes up. So you'll see me come back and forth a few times, and then I'll let it sit for a while and let it dry, and then at the end I will vacuum it up. As you can tell, I had all sorts of different things to take care of on this day, so now I'm just drying a few things that I hand washed before I unload the dishwasher.
Blame it on me. They just want to scapegoat. I just tried to fit in. You've got to beg just to get in line. The fights, the lies. I just tried to be good. You've got to beg to get out of the woods. You've got to find what you want in love. Speak until you're hurt. If you want the world you're dreaming of, and find out what it's worth. They tell me I look good. They tell me I am fine. But you never seem to ever ask me why I cry. They tell me I look good. They tell me I am fine. But you never seem to ever greet me with a smile. No, next time. I know it's just me. I'll find another savior. Feeling cold to the bone. You've got to fight to get out of the storm. I know. It's time. I just tried to be good. You've got to break to get out of the woods. You've got to find what you want in love. Speak until you're hurt. If you want the world you're dreaming of, and find out what it's worth. They tell me I look good. They tell me I am fine. But you never seem to ever ask me why I cry. They tell me I look good. They tell me I am fine. But you never.
By this time, the carpet in the bedroom was dry, so I'm just vacuuming over that area. If you guys made it this far, thank you so much. I hope that means you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I would absolutely love to have you. And I hope that you'll take care of yourselves and your families. I love you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
They tell me I am fine, but they never seem to ever let me come inside. They tell me I look